Japan, with a population of roughly 126 million people, is an island nation in the Pacific Ocean, with high-rise field cities, imperial palaces, mountainous national parks, and thousands of shrines and temples. Watch the video until the end to know more about this unique country. Oops, I forgot. There are quizzes between the facts. You have 5 seconds to answer. And write down your answers in the comment section below.
What are you waiting? Let us dive into the video.
They use more paper for comics than for toilet paper in Japan. In Japan, there are more pets than children. Japan consists of over 6,800 islands. Japan has 5.52 million vending machines offering anything from soda to clothes and live crafts. Japan's birth rate is so low that adult diapers are sold more than baby diapers.
What is the Japanese name for Japan? The answer is Nippon or Nihon.
The Greater Tokyo area is the largest metropolitan area in the world, with over 35 million people. In Japan, sushis are used to be eaten as street food. Square watermelons are grown by Japanese farmers for easier stock and store. Japan has more than 50,000 people who are over 100 years old.
Hey! Another cue. Popular in Japan. What are manga? Japanese comics.
60% of the world's animated cartoon series or anime are made in Japan. Around 24 billion pairs of chopsticks are used in Japan each year. Sometimes the trains in Japan are so crowded, railway staff are employed to cram passengers inside. There is a train that floats above the tracks by magnetism, reaching 550 km per hour or 300 mph. Tokyo, the capital city of Japan, handles over 2,000 tons of fish daily, making it the world's largest fish market.
Quiz number 3. What does Japan mean? The answer is Land of the Rising Sun. It was once believed that Japan was the first country to see the sun rise in the east in the morning.
Japan experiences about 1,500 earthquakes per year. Japan has produced a total of 19 Nobel Prize winners since 1949. There is a highway that goes through a building in Japan. Police in Japan usually carry around paintballs to shoot at fleeing motorists. This allows them to identify them more easily. Bus drivers in Japan usually turn off their vehicles at red lights to reduce pollution.
Quiz. Is he Chinese or Japanese? He is Japanese. Japan has more than 70 flavors of Fanta, including Genius Energy, Snow Squash, and Hip Hop. 90% of all mobile phones sold in Japan are waterproof because youth like to use them even while showering.
The world's shortest escalator is found in Japan. It only has 5 steps.
crooked teeth are considered attractive. This belief is so deep-seated that girls usually go to the dentist to have their teeth straightened. There is a competition for the fastest shirt ironer by Japanese men that takes place every year.
Japan has a centuries-old tradition of a traditional bathhouses, but the Unison Spa Resort is not a traditional spa. There you can soak in a green tea spa, a steak spa, a coffee spa, a wine spa, and even a ramen noodle spa.
When Japanese people meet, they traditionally bow instead of shaking hands, and the lowest bow shows the deepest respect. You can actually get fresh human breast milk at lactation bars. You can have a shot or get it straight from the nipple. Most meals include rice in Japan. It is considered rude to walk while you are eating in Japan.
The Japanese believe that black cats bring good luck. Toyota, a Japanese company, is the third largest automobile producer in the world. When you slurp your noodles loudly in Japan, it is considered a sign that you are enjoying the meal. Napping on the job, called inemori, is seen as a sign of being a hard worker in Japanese business culture. Some people even fake it.
Japan has over 300 limited, seasonal, and regional Kit Kat flavors. Plus, with each passing year, more and more unique flavors are being created. The top 6 are matcha or green tea, kinako ohagi or roasted soybean rice bowl, adult sweetness raspberry,
Ginger ale, baked pudding, Yawatawa Isogoro Ichimi, red chili. If you learned something new or just you love the video, subscribe and drop a like.